The Laws of the Universe, a gateway to abundance and spiritual insight. Hello, my name is Dino Viper. Thank you so very much for joining me today. Of all days, it's Independence Day. And I thought, what does Independence Day have to do with the laws of the universe? How are they related? And it really is. When you start living a more spiritual life, independent of religious beliefs or dogma or anything else that someone wants to impose upon you about how you are supposed to live, and you start listening to the inner wisdom within you, your spirituality, and you adhere to the laws of the universe, which apply to everyone and everything that we deal with in our lives. Once you start changing your perspective on religion per se, and start looking about how does this world work? How does the universe really work? What does love mean to me? What is spirituality? These huge questions can be summed up as, who am I? So let me see if I can go a little deeper with you today. I appreciate you joining me here at Elevate Your Life. Let's get into this today. Let's do this together. As humans, we often sought to understand the laws of the universe, which seem to govern all physical and metaphysical aspects of our existence. From the force of gravity to the notion of karma, these laws are not only essential for the functioning of the cosmos, but also provide us with key insights into achieving life abundance and spiritual enlightenment. They illuminate our journey through life, inviting us to recognize our potential and inspire our transformation. The law of attraction, a foundation of abundance. One of the most well-known and talked about universal laws is the law of attraction. It poses that our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs have the power to shape our reality. By concentrating on the positive or negative thoughts, we can bring about positive or negative results. By concentrating on positive or negative thoughts, we can bring about positive or negative results. This can be a powerful tool to create life of abundance. To harness the potential of the law of attraction, we should aim to cultivate a mindset of prosperity and positivity, replacing thoughts of scarcity with a focus on the abundant blessings we desire. This doesn't merely mean wishing for wealth or success, but embodying the feelings of joy and fulfillment these achievements would bring. The law of vibration, frequency, and resonance. The law of vibration holds that everything in the universe, from the smallest particle to the expansive galaxy, moves in a certain frequency or vibration. This includes our thoughts and feelings, which hold their own unique frequency. High-frequency vibrations are associated with positivity, love, and compassion, while low-frequency vibrations correspond with fear and anger and resentment. Aligning ourselves with high-frequency vibration attracts similar energies, leading to a life that resonates with positivity and abundance. Practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and gratitude help tune our internal vibration to frequencies that align with abundance and joy. The law of cause and effect, the seeds of action. Commonly referred to as the law of karma, the law of cause and effect is the principle that every action produces a reaction, and every cause has an effect. If we want to live a life of abundance, we must ensure that our actions are aligned with this aspiration. Living consciously, making decisions rooted in kindness, generosity, and love, and taking responsibility for our actions are ways that we can sow the seeds of abundance. The energy we give out eventually finds its way back to us, creating a cycle of positivity and prosperity. The laws of unity, spiritual insight, and connection. The law of unity states everything in the universe is interconnected. We are all part of a vast, intricate network of energy and consciousness. And understanding that this interconnectedness can lead to profound spiritual insights. The law encourages us to see ourselves not as isolated individuals, but as integral parts of the universe. Recognizing this interconnectedness helps us cultivate empathy, compassion, and understanding, which is essential elements of spiritual growth. Through this realization, we start to see the abundance present in the unity and interconnectedness of all things. Let me sum up today, our Independence Day. The law of the universe offers us a roadmap to a life of abundance and spiritual insight. By understanding and applying these principles, we can tap into the limitless potential of the universe and unlock wealth of spiritual and material blessings. It's not about bypassing the challenges and struggles of life, but approaching them with an enlightened perspective that fosters growth, wisdom, and fulfillment. This journey is lifelong, but the rewards, abundance in all forms, and profound spiritual insight are priceless. When you're living an abundant life, you're making choices that you decide to make. You're living life by your own terms. You're living life of happiness and joy. This is independent of anyone else. It is your own personal independence that you can enjoy on a daily basis. So I hope you got value out of today's message. I hope that you'll share this with someone. If you care about someone, share this message with them. Maybe it will help them in some part of their day. My name is Dino Viper. Love and light. To learn more, please visit www.dinoviper.com, and I hope that you'll come back again. Make today the most beautiful of days for you.